So let's take that thought into a time of meditation. Would you take a deep breath with me? We are going to practice with the wisdom of Richard Rohr, a meditation practice that invites us into breathing the presence. It comes from the idea of the word God, and that the word Yahweh is actually a description of the breath, that it goes beyond religion, it goes beyond culture, that it is simply the sound. You know how in the Jewish tradition, Yahweh is that word for God that isn't even supposed to be spoken. But it's the idea that mystically, that word comes from the sound of your breath, the sound of everyone's breath, the sound that you made when you were born onto this planet and as a baby, as an infant, took your very first breath, and the sound that as you lift off into your freedom form will be the sound that comes into your body and releases from your body, Yahweh. So I invite us to listen to the breath for a moment. I invite us to close our eyes and just hear the inhale go in as Yah, and hear the exhale go out as Way. Our first and our last words as we enter and leave this world. Inhaling, exhaling, Yahweh, Yahweh. Just hearing the breath. Hear the sound of the inhale, the sound of the exhale. That is the sound of the presence. We stay with the breath. Attend to your breath. In the words of Richard Rohr, just keep breathing consciously in this way, and you will know that you are connected to humanity, from cavemen to cosmonauts, to the entire animal world, and even to the trees and the plants. And we are now told that the atoms we breathe are physically the same as the stardust from the original Big Bang. Oneness is no longer merely a vague, mystical notion, but a scientific fact. Yahweh. The same breath your ancestors took. The same breath of those who will come after all of us that are here in this moment. The same breath we breathe together. Inhaling and exhaling. Yahweh. Into the silence, listening to the breath. I invite you, as you're comfortable, to take one hand and put it on your heart center, and take another hand and put it on your third eye. I know my birthright. I am bound and freed by this union. I am breathing the presence. presence is breathing me. And bringing the hands of prayer together at the heart center. And raising that prayer to the third eye and bowing to seal the practice. Namaste.